Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. And today I have another triple black Cybertruck to share with you that's part of our monochromatic program that I started earlier this year when I did my Cybertruck. And that has inspired many of you around the country to go ahead and send us your Cybertrucks for this triple blackout program, which I'm gonna go over one more time and share with you. But part of this program, it's not just all gloss black. We offer the triple chalk program. We have it in all white and basically any color that you'd like to have it in. So let's get back to this one. The truck has been wrapped in T-Max gloss black PPF film. This is like a mirror finish. It's absolutely beautiful. Probably the best in the industry for that super high gloss, mirror effect, black PPF film. And contrary to what most of you might think that it'll go ahead and show a lot of fingerprints and be hard to clean, it's actually the opposite. It's very easy to clean. So gloss black, color change, PPF film. Now let's talk about the triple monochromatic program. The front bumpers, the rear bumpers, the side skirts, and the four-wheel arches have all been smoothed out. We got rid of all that texture on that kind of charcoal gray plastic, and then we painted it super gloss black to go ahead and match the wrap. So that looks really cool, changes the whole look of the truck. And then the wheels, 24-inch CTM monoblock wheels. You could choose our 20-inch, you could choose our 22s. This customer chose our 24s, also in gloss black. That completes the look. Foundation Series badges have been embossed on the front two fenders and on the rear tailgate. But this project is not over. This is actually just the beginning. Now I want to show you what we did to the interior. Check this out. Take a look at what we did to this interior. Completely reupholstered the front and rear seats, the door panel inserts, and the lower dash using Bentley red leather and Bentley black leather with contrast red stitching throughout. Now these are the real leather hides that we've imported from the tanneries in Europe that actually manufacture for Bentley. This is really cool, very sporty, a full two-tone effect. I love how the inserts of the seats, just exactly where Tesla had them perforated, we perforated them as well. And that's important. So that's so your air-cooled seating can actually work properly and your seat heaters can work properly. Also the inner bolster areas, it's all in the details, and the sides or bolster areas of the headrest. On the Cybertruck, they are actually perforated, and we did it as well. So this is exactly the way, the shape, the design that Tesla did. However, Tesla uses a vegan vinyl material. This is real leather, much more plush, looks really nice, longer lasting, and I just think it's a really cool look. Now, let's talk about the steering wheel. Did you see that? How cool is that? Two-tone upholstered, Bentley black leather on the upper and lower zones, red leather on the sides. And the reason why we did that is because the inserts of the seats are red leather. So the insert area of the steering wheel, the 3 o'clock and the 9 o'clock position, should also be in red leather. It's all about the details. So what do you guys think? Do you love this two-tone interior? It's definitely a first for us in this colorway. We have other interiors that we've done, and we have a lot more coming. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like our content, because I have a lot more to share with you coming soon.